Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to count the time. So I assume that you have watched the previous video where I teach you how to count from 0 to 100. Indeed, you just need to 0 to 60. So let's go. So for the time, it's almost the same as in English. For example, if it's 1 o'clock, we say c'est 1 heure. But in English, you say 1 o'clock AM, 1 o'clock PM. In French, we can say 1 heure du matin, which is 1 hour AM, or 1 heure de l'après-midi, which is 1 hour PM. But we usually more use 1 hour for 1 hour AM, so 1 heure du matin, and more 13 heures for 1 hour PM. That means we do not count from 0 to 12, we count from 0 to 24. That means we do not use AM and PM. That's not our habit. We prefer to say, for example, if it's 11 PM, we say 23 heures. So you have to be aware of that. We count from 0 to 24. Okay, so that was for the hour. Then for the minutes. For the minutes we have special name. For example, if it's 8:30, we say 8h30. Et demi means half. Okay. If it's 7:15, we say 7h15. In the north, they prefer to say 7h15. In the south, we prefer to say 7h15. It depends. It's up to you. Okay. So that was for the past. And then we've got, like you, for example, if it's 8:45, we say it's 9h moins le quart. So literally it's like 9 minus quarter. Okay, in English you say it's 8:45, and we say in French it's 9 minus quarter. That's 9h moins le quart. We've got also if you say, for example, it's 25 to 10. I don't know if you really say that in English, but in French we've got that. We say 10h moins 25. That means literally 9:35. Okay, 9:35 it's 10h moins 25. But you can also say 9h35 like in English. Okay, we've got also minus 20. For example, if it's 10:40, we can say in French 11h moins 20. Literally, it's 11 minus 20, which is exactly 10:40. Okay, so and then we've got the same with minus 10. For example, if it's 10 to 2 PM, for example, we will say that in French it's 2h moins 10. It's technically 13:50. Okay, and we've got the same with 5. So for example, if it's 5 to 3, we can say c'est 3h moins 5. That's the same. Literally, that's 3 hours minus 5 minutes. So that's technically the same. So now you can say all the hours during all the day. And remember, we can use AM, PM. AM is le matin and PM is l'après-midi. But we usually use numbers from 0 to 24. So I hope you like this video. If that's the case, push the button like. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you tomorrow for the next video.